Okay, the 29th of February, doing another Google Drive video. I'm going to show you how to organize all of your documents, photos, PNGs, JPEGs, TIFFs, everything that you have in your drive. If it's just sitting there, this is the way you're going to organize it. You're going to create files. I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing, we got to open up our drive. So we've got to go over to our 9 boxes right next to our, first of all, I got to change this to the, all right. So we got to go over to our 9 boxes and we're going to go ahead and click on this. It's going to open it up. Bam. And if you look in here, this isn't too organized. I've got one file here. But what you're going to do is you're going to come up here, you're going to click on this, and you're going to create a new file, all right, or a folder, okay? So it's going to, you click on that. Let me just show you again here. So you're going to click on this, and then you're going to go to folder. You're going to click on that. Now it gives you this little box in the middle, and you've got to write, what it's going to be. So I'm going to do a karate folder. So I'm going to go K-A-R-A-T-E. And anything that deals with karate, I'm going to put in there. And I'm going to go ahead and create that folder. And it should just come right up on the top. There it is right there. Now, right now I've got it viewed in, it's in the list. But you can change it. You can change it. You can make it alphabetical or by date. Right now, reverse sort direction. I'm not going to do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the command key on my thing and I'm going to highlight these and then I'm going to drag them into that specific box. So what I'm doing is I'm taking and I'm pressing down on the command key, which is right next to your space bar on your Apple keyboard. And I'm going to hold that and I'm going to click it and light that up. I'm going to light that up. I'm going to light that up. Let's see if I can do 2 at a time. Oh, okay, that's good. All right, so it's working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the highlight again. We're going to go through it again. And so I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to go all the way down to here. I'm going to do a shift key. I'm just going to light them all up. Then I'm going to push on them and I'm going to pull them right up into the karate. Whoops. I'm going to pull them all the way up here and drop them in there. And it looks like we got it. All right, let's open this up and make sure we did it right. So it's a little tricky because it's kind of doesn't work as easy as you'd think it would. Let's see what this document is. All right, let's take a look at this. This is something I really don't need, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. I'm going to go back, first of all, to the page. I want to make sure that it's highlighted, and it is. I'm going to go over to the little garbage can up on the right-hand side. I'm going to click on it, and bam, that sucker is gone. So that's how you do it. Let's take a look at this thing here. This is another thing I don't need. I don't know what it's even doing there. So let's go back. It's highlighted. Go to the garbage can and bam, that sucker's gone. All right, now if you look down here, I've got a couple Casa Del Mars that are way down on the bottom. And it's hard for me to drop and highlight and drag them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the right-hand side top, and there's 3 little buttons on there. And I'm going to click it, and it's going to open up this little box. And in that box, it says Move To. I'm going to click on that with my cursor. It's going to open it up, and I'm going to have a couple files. There's the Casa Del Mar. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to hit Move, and it's going to take those files, and it's going to put them right in that Casa Del Mar file. So that is a way that you can also move documents, PNGs, TIFFs, JPEGs into files and organize your Google Drive so that it's easier for you to find things instead of having to go through thousands and hundreds and millions of them. Here's a picture of my nephew. Oh my gosh. All right, I got all these photos stored somewhere else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight them all. I'm going to hit the shift key. Then I'm going to go up to the garbage can and bam, they're gone. I got them out of there. Okay, so that's how you can organize your Google Drive by creating files and then drop and dragging, or by moving them from the box into those specific files so that you don't have a million things in there, and it's easier for you to find all the documents, your PNGs, your TIFFs, your JPEGs, your photos, all the different things that you're storing in there much easier, and it makes it a lot easier on you in the long run. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on Google Drive and Google, and you name it, I do it. Peace out.